Hi, friends! Today we learn the letter M. Are you ready? Let's go! M. M. Monkey. M is for monkey. Monkey. M. M. Mouse. M is for mouse. Mouse. M. M. Milk. M is for milk. Milk. M. M. Mushroom. M is for mushroom. Mushroom. M. M. Moon. M is for moon. Moon. M. M. Moose. M is for moose. Moose. Great job! You learned the letter M. See you next time on Deno's Academy. Bye-bye!